Okay, this is what we call a baked on surface. It is stuck. Now, you can use Shyn Degreaser. So I'm going to show you what not to do and what to do and why. This is a really going to be a good video. So we've got one of our double strength magic erasers. So I've sprayed the degreaser, washing. See, I'm still going. It did come off. Don't get me wrong. It's really built up. And I'm showing you, I actually can get it back to new, but I don't teach you how to clean for days. I teach you how to clean as fast as possible. So, see how many times I had to clean this? Just watch. Back. Done. That's how long it took me to remove that build-up. Now it's thick, but it still takes ages. Now, this is when we use our shine paste. Now, I want you to pay attention. If you have to re-watch and check the time, pay attention and see how much faster this is. And I'm not pushing as hard because you can see, like, it's pretty gentle. Boom. Now I'm just getting to the top bit, right at the top. Now watch. So I had to clean half the time with half the power. Now I'm going to show you a bigger surface so you know what I'm talking about. See how built up it is? Look at the side panel. Can you see the side panel on the right-hand side? Now watch this. So now I'm going to push a little bit harder. You can see. See, I'm pushing a little bit more, but only because I can feel the grime coming straight off. You can't see it, guys. You can feel it. I can feel it. Boom. Now, no paste, no work. So make sure that the paste is always there. Otherwise, it's going to take even more longer to clean. So when I'm going back over things, I'm going back over to feel it, to see if there's anything there. Now look at this. Perfect. Now you can see I stopped scrubbing once the grime was off because there's nothing more to scrub. Now you can see the difference. See the difference. Wait, I'll turn it. There we go. See how thick it is? There we go, guys. That is when you use shine paste. You don't use shine paste unless you have to. And this was a need to.